The square root of 3,000. Damn it! I'm sorry, Andre. I just can't concentrate on math today. I'm wasting your time. My mind's on a woman. Mr. Poupée was out sick today, so we had a sub, Miss Titsalati. She's the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. She has a really plain face, hair that's not that special, okay legs, and the biggest boobies I've ever seen. They're like a pair of sweet, happy bunnies. That is, if those bunnies were boobs and were the size of elephants and were perfectly round. Ugh, Andre, I can't even look at math. I look at these numbers and all I see are Miss Titsalati's sharp nipples. They're like my brother's penis, always erect. What I would do to just touch Miss Titsalati's jumbo, juicy, jiggly jobblies. Oh, I just look at Miss Titsalati's giant penis squeezers and I get so mad because she'd never go for a guy like me. I'm 5'7". I suck at math. I'm a second-string goalie on the soccer team, and I have no boobs. Why would biggest boobies of them all ever go for Johnny No Boobs? It'd be so humiliating for her to even be seen with me. God, Andre, if only I had your big juicy tatas. You're like a G-cup at least. Ugh. If you were on a plane that crashed into the sea, you'd be fine because you have 2 colossal flotation devices attached to your chest. Not me. I'd sink to the bottom, just like the Titanic. I probably wouldn't even make it to the bottom because an enormous-breasted shark would probably swim up and chomp me up and then spit me out because there's no meat on my chest. Damn it! If I had a genie, Andre, I'd wish for big, large girls just as fat as Miss Titsalati's Humpty Dumplings. Oh, I'd look just like this. Oh, she'd drool a big pool of spit all over the math room floor if I punched the classroom door open with my big, thick breasts. She'd look at my massive milk cannons and awe over how perfect they were and how strong my back must be to hoist up a boob rack that large. Can you imagine? She'd swoon and say, Johnny, no boobs, what happened? And I'd say, that's Johnny, big fatty boobies to you, Miss Titsalati. Then I'd grab her by her pink-nosed porky piggies and plant the wettest smooch right on one of her plump pointer sisters, and that'd be that. We'd be married and move to Pork Chop Lake. I'd titty fuck her with my chest balls and get her pregnant, and she'd pop out a bunch of mini mega manly babies that grow up to have even bigger jiggly cupcakes than the 2 of us. Can you just imagine, Andre? A beautiful family, all sporting, thundering, smothering Chumbawambas. Gosh, what a life that'd be. But no, it can't be. I wish I had big fat bitties, but no. All I have are these 9-pound, beefy, hefty nutsacks with nipples the size of string beans hanging from them, slapping into my thighs, and no boobs.